Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to crochet the Granny Square motif number 6. For this pattern, you're going to need to know how to do a single crochet, a double crochet, and a double treble crochet. I'll be showing you how to do the double treble crochet in this video, but if you need help with any of those other stitches, you can check down in the description below for my videos on how to do that. So to get started, you are going to chain 12, and then you will be joining that chain 12 at the very end with a slip stitch, because we are making a big giant ring. And then once you have that connected, you'll be working 30 single crochets into that ring, and then you will join them with a slip stitch. So here we are, just finishing off and joining with a slip stitch. So for round 2, we are going to start off by chaining 5. And then from here on, we'll be working with our double treble crochets. So for a double treble crochet, you're going to put 3 loops around your crochet hook. So 1, 2, 3. You're going to insert into the stitch, pull through 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So let's look at that again. It's a loop 1, 2, 3, insert into the next stitch, pull through 1, pull through 2, pull through 3, pull through 4, pull through 5. And then you'll chain 3. So the repeat for this pattern is going to be working 3 double treble crochets in the next 3 stitches and then chaining 3. You'll repeat that 9 times and then you will join with a slip stitch. Now take your time with working the double treble crochets. Sometimes they can be a little bit tricky. So just make sure that you count your 3 wraparounds and then count your 10 loops that you pull through, and you should be pretty okay. So here we are, just finishing off round 2. We're going to join with our slip stitch. All right, and that finishes round 2. So let's go ahead and give it that beautiful texture at the end of it. So for round 3, you are going to chain 1. And then you're jumping straight into the repeat, which is going to be single crocheting in the center double treble crochet. Then in that chain 3 space from the previous row, you are going to be working 3 double crochets. Then you will be chaining 3, and then that chain 3, you're going to join with a slip stitch at the base of where you started that chain 3. Then you'll be working 3 more double crochets into that chain 3 space. So again, it's going to be working a single crochet in the center double treble crochet from the previous row, then working 3 double crochets into the next chain 3 space, chaining 3, joining that chain 3 with a slip stitch at the base of that chain 3, and then working 3 more double crochets into that same chain space. This will be repeated all the way to the end of your work. So here we are, just finishing off the last little bit, working our last 3 double crochets, and then you will join with a slip stitch right where that chain, the first single crochet was for the round. And there you have it. That's how you do the Granny Square motif number 6. If you found this video helpful, please do give it a like, and I will see you guys in the next Granny Square video. Have a happy crochet day.